Hi guys, Lens here. If you're having problem with your network with your S25 S25 Ultra, what you want to do is that, guys, you want to try the airplane option just to see how your connections are connecting. Once you're getting Wi-Fi and also mobile signal, if you're having incoming calls issues as well, this can help you to fix those issues. So once your airplane mode can go on successfully, come off successfully, that means everything is good. So what you want to do here, guys, you want to do a network reset. You want to go to settings, you want to scroll right down to about phone here. Then you want to click about phone. Then what you want to do, you want to go right at the bottom, you want to click reset here. It will give you a few options here, so we can do a Bluetooth Wi-Fi reset. So if you're having Wi-Fi problems, you can reset your Wi-Fi and also your Bluetooth as well. If you're having mobile network options, then you can do a reset for your mobile settings. And this is a dual SIM, so I do have SIM 1 and also SIM 2. Right, so with the SIM 1 and the SIM 2, guys, I can do a reset. So let us do a reset here. If you're having the issue, it will just reset the network. You need to put your pin in our pattern. So guys, I am just going to do that quickly. Let me get this camera to focus a bit for you, so you can reset the mobile settings, and all we have to do is to hit reset here, and it says network settings reset. If you're still having any kind of connection issues, you want to head over back to your settings. You want to go to connections, then you want to go to the mobile networks. So if you're having issues getting signal, guys, you want to go to network operators, and you can set this option to be automatically, or you can set it to be manually. It says registered on network, so we just connected to Flow. We have Flow here in the Caribbean. But if you're having problems and you want to search for the available networks, you can see here that we have Flow and Digicel, and I can select Flow, and as you can see, I just registered on the network, which is Flow. If you're still having connection issues, what you want to do is to do a force restart. This can be probably because your phone is always on. You're encountering an issue with your networks, whether it be the Bluetooth, the Wi-Fi, the mobile signal. So you want to perform a force restart. You have to hold the volume down and the power button together until the phone restart. When you see the logo, you release all the buttons. The phone will turn right back on. Most importantly, it will definitely clear the phone memory as well. So if it happens that this accumulated from the phone being on a lot without being restarted, this will definitely be helpful. So guys, the next thing in which you'll want to do is to check your updates. As you can see here, we have a current update to do, and if your phone had regularly updated recently, then it could have been that there was an issue with one of the updates. So whenever you do a update on your device, ensure that you have sufficient battery power on your device before you perform an update. Also, you can perform a factory reset. This is if you're still having issues and you want to reset your device. So you can do a factory data reset. This will delete everything off of your phone, and this is if you want to fix your network issues if nothing else has worked for you. this is the last option which you can try. You can do a data factory reset. And if you're going to do this, I advise you to remove your Gmail account. You can do that by going to accounts and backup, and you can manage accounts. All of your email address will be listed here. So this is one of mine here, and if I want to remove your Gmail account, for example, I have the WhatsApp here, you can remove your Gmail account. This was helpful, guys, and if it was, you can let me know in the comment section below. And if you're new to my channel, guys, do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below.